she's being a bitch. Welcome to my channel. My name is Cherry and I'm going to be doing a tattoo tour today. Excuse, it doesn't even look that messy from the camera, but it's fucking messy in here. I'm going to start head to toe and I'm going to go through all the tattoos I've done. I have 2 professional tattoos, but the rest I've done myself. A couple of them are gun tattoos and the rest are stick and pokes, because that's just my strong suit, and a couple of them are unfinished, but I'm just lazy and I can't be bothered finishing them anytime soon. So yeah, I'm gonna start with my face, probably my favorite because I always see it every day, but I really like it. A little heart. The second one are my 3 little butterflies. I really like them. They're professional. They're my only coloured tattoo as well. They healed really weird. I didn't like them at first, but they've grown on me now. Next one down on my body is probably my heart on my chest, but that's my little heart. My boyfriend did it. Funny story. He stick and poked it on me. Really big liner, but it still looks cute and I actually really like it, so no complaints. I have 3. This set of flowers, it kind of looks like dried up flowers. 3 stars. And this little dog paw in the flower, like nothing special, but the one with the 3 paw, like 3 toes, is for my dog because he only has 3 toe beans. I don't know where to go next. I think I'll go down this arm and then I'll go on the other arm because it's just one big one on this side. I'll just insert photos of these ones. A bunny tattoo, which is basically, it's not too much. It doesn't look anything like my actual bunny. She passed away a while ago. Tattooed a version of her. Very cute. I like it. That was stick and poke as well. All the ones on my arm are stick and poke except for my gun tattoo. One is my dunce tattoo. I didn't design this one. I got someone else to design it and I paid them for the design and I did it myself. I really like it. I'm still kind of adding to it. I add like the darker shades onto it and I have to add the lines in the hat as well. So the next one I have is my bouquet of flowers in a little jar. No backing story. I basically covered it up. So I don't know if I got a photo of it. I'll insert it if I do have a photo. But it was just like one little flower and it had 2 of what the flower was meant to look like. Didn't look anything like it. No one knew it was a plant. Added some flowers, so the next one I have is my little rose tattoo, one of my favorites. It was another work in progress, like I coloured it in eventually. Stick and poke as well. I like it. Not my, like, I don't know. All my stick and pokes are like, I like them. So next to it I have my Queen of Hearts tattoo, which my boyfriend has King Hearts. Well, I don't know what it is. King of Hearts. Because it's King and then it's got a heart under it, so yeah. I don't know. My brain's not working. Pink tattoo. The one next to it, originally there was a mushroom person thing. No, it's a really common design. I hated it. I did it with a gun and then I covered it up today actually with a more traditional style tattoo. I've still got to shade it, but I'm gonna wait for it to heal because I really butchered my arm this time because the ink wouldn't sit. On the other side of my arm, like around the top half, I have a Care Bear and it's my favourite. I love my Care Bear. I still gotta add the little thing in its tongue. Most of them have. I don't know if you can see. And then I have all my hand tattoos. I have baby on my fingers and I've got Boys Don't Cry in the middle of my hand on the side, and some flowers as well, and that's my other coloured tattoo. Although on the other side of my arm I have my only hand poked, like my opposite hand poked, because I do everything on my right hand. But this one turned out alright. I gotta touch it up, it's kind of faded. Professionally done tattoo over here. I don't like it, but I'm gonna get it like fixed because the artist full butchered my arm. video about that if you want. I have a lot of tea to spill. When you get further down to my legs, I have heaps of stick and pokes. I'll just insert photos once again because I'm lazy. I have a moon tattoo. I have a little peep. None of these have sentimental value. I also have a little aeroplane, stars, a little leaf thing I did ages ago. I got my rose tattoo that I did with a gun. That's probably another one of my favourites because it shows my progress. A little butcher knife, cinema roll, love from Little Peep. And then further down that leg I have a frog with a witch hat sitting on a mushroom. Very cute. That leg I have smile written, literally no meaning. I have my little dagger cat bear thing. It's like that. Really, I'll insert the style that I was going for. I don't know the term for it. And then I have Hello Kitty in 1975. My parents were born in 1975, that's why I have that. Down the leg I have a mushroom with some leaves that I drew up. So on my other leg I have a crocodile with a shirt over his head, and I also have Kurumi, and they're really badly done, but I'll still insert a photo if you really want to see. And last but not least, I have a little heart on my ankle. That was my first ever tattoo I did. So that's all my tattoos. I think I covered them all. But yeah, I have heaps of piercings as well. If you want a separate video on that, I'd be happy to do that as well. Yeah, I'm a tatted up bitch. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like and subscribe if you want to see more. Yeah.